Hakakandru tarik unai wieng araja arpuai kasora Academy Secondary School kelarake bat penon buram ya kasngi lek kemen ki kena. Kelalong sisya kasngi kaba ipu ipieng bat syirhamba lingba ki program baper nadu ki jingruai ki jingsha drama bat kiwei. Hakabale shim mentalang nadu ki kena school ki kemi jong ki kena school hadu inong hikai baro. Kelalong lu kasngi kaba kerpang bat kaba pensa kenmau si yunom. Bat lapli ya kani kasngi jingle kemen da u principal ka school sa one step dingdo. Ka sora Academy Secondary School sora kadai ka school. Ka balas lang da usar one step dingdo ha usnam arhajar pra. Kelas lang tang sanggut ki kena na ka kelas 5. Bat kalakan jo tang haki kendiat senam ban poi sya ka kerdan kelas 10 ni secondary section. Kelapha yaki candidates baningkong jongka ha usnam arajar khat saw nadu uni usnam bahadu menta ke school kelapha rabat ki bayale ya ka exam SSLC examination ke school ke juyo hispa persen ki bapas manusnam ki kena ki julia bha ha usnam arajar wei na ki kena ila yo ya ke distinction habaro ki subject.
I just want to lift my hands and say that I love him. I just want to lift my heart in praise.
Syusyu kumban chupan kan mau baka ni ke school kelayo ya ke nam ha ke state level ha ke jingruai tenrai ri bat ke jingsha tenrai. Kalara ru ya ke nam ha ke quiz competition debate bat kiwei. Kani ke school ke jura bonsin ya ke march past ha sora civil subdivision kum ke kerdan la du ha kisnam ki belaleng. Kani ke school rengkat u principal bat kinong hikai kijupun seluruh nak kapor sekapor yaki kena baginya simenta haki extra curricular activities kumki recitation, drama, educational trips, wat syabar nala kejela.
Wow, thank you so much, dear parents. We will see the next part after some time. Now, we will see the dance from Yari and Tafi of class 10. Yari and Tafi, the stage is yours.
Kabas ngokumen bat ngol sarong cucu ya kan di school kalong. Ba kinong hikai kilong ki batreistom bat IT met bat mensiam na kabenta ban ai ke jingkai kabapura ya ki kena school. Bat ngiui nadu ke jingnang ke jingstan kaburam ke akur rengkat ke disiplin. Bat kumjuru ngiui ya ki kena kisai yala ki jong kisap ki talent baper ki ba kum kino hikai kila ai bat kila hikai ya ki kena school.
Doctor, my daughter is sick. There are so many trees nowadays. Yes, we hear about it too. Let's go from here. Let's go. Hey, you stop right there. Move. Hands up. Put your weapon down.
Thank you, juniors, for your beautiful act. Now, may I call some of our parents to represent their dance. Makalpa, Jati Twigikpa, Kiba, Aijisha, Baking Wachna.
We're all in this together and we're having fun. We're here to spread the love of God to everyone. Gonna get a little crazy and a little wild. Here we go now, come give it a try. Move it to the left now, move it to the left, move it to the right, move it to the right. Find someone you don't know, give them a high five. Oh, you guys are moving great. Song can be louder. Hey, so I'm standing tall like a pillar, so I just might need me a pillar. Tryna knock me off, nigga, but I can stop, but I gotta make a way. All of my feelings, smaller than the top. Nigga, what you got? Why can't you see niggas? You niggas, they like the drug, you ain't never been gay. Nigga, you ain't know, but you was having sweet, you just like sleeping on the floor. And I got to get out the car, take some sit back, smoke big, I might take some. Sit on my wrist, my baby, and keep it gangster. On my way to the top, shit, I'm gangster. Working that overtime, just the way they taxed up. Yeah, bro, I really blessed me, I'm blessed up. I said, they hardly tryna step it, got me messed up. I said, they hardly tryna step it, got me messed up. I had to hide by my kids, so you want to run it for me. I'm asking how can you hear me? I done been up in these streets. I just might run me like three. Shit, I might call me like four. Just give me the word, I'ma go, baby. Give me the word, I'ma go, baby. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I'm standing tall like a pillar, so I just might need me to chill.
Bat kumpan cipakan ma, ba usa one step ding do, uday unoy kay, la syakri bonus nam, hakani kakam, kum unoy kay.
Thank you, God. I am a changed man now. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I am a changed man now.
Doing it for days, only going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, trying to see what's up. Now I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black top. Tell me why it's so hard to say goodbye. Tell me why. Tell me why
Càng chân không cả phần thầy và đang lòng vô lại tâm hương ý đơn tình trái tình sáng tình lao hay là xanh đời nhà cha lòng tha lòng đâu trên bàn đi sempat di sensor tanya daya tahan pelajar Yoshuan quay uan beruan ha Tung ta linh ta từng Nong way ulalay Pagkasing siya gandon Tung tahani la day Nang matalikan po kalay Ngimkim hata singsay
Look a little nervous when you talk. Maybe because the kids are way too close. Just another day at home. Just another time alone. Makes us do things we shouldn't do. That I've got somebody else who's close to my heart, and you've got somebody else you promised to love. So what are we doing when we get no love? Better keep safe and sound. Choose you forever now. Better keep safe and sound. Better keep safe and sound than to lose you forever now. Better keep safe and sound than to lose you now. Better keep safe and sound than to lose you forever now. It's a little harder when you're mad. Oh no, honestly over every time. Yeah, just another day at home, just another time alone. Places we shouldn't do.
My name is Anika Bukar Rahman, and I am reading in class 3. Now, I am going to recite the poetry Parents in My Garden. When it's early morning, before it's really light, a flock of parrots flies across, looking trim and bright.
Cắt bờ vai hâm thu đang đi đêm. Cắt bờ ca đi ca nằm hen. Cắt bờ đi đi đàn bà. Vẫn vẫn riêng vẫn đậm đen. Ang bay hâm thu đang đi đêm. Quên cho anh biết rồi. Rumit lúc gendong, singkernen kandong. Kaki dan kerana kaki, life and real kandang ini. Kasong kaki banyak, banyak kebanyakan.
Tungin pene ako durang Gaya tingin kana Kanya sana siya Menon tabat kita Ayam serai Dong Kadimilya Yang Tenggai Joni Kasih. Yang Tenggai Joni Kasih. Yang Tenggai John Kinong Sheila. Yang Tenggai John Kinong Sheila. Menyanyi akawai nagikan thay papaw ng Rikaswi. Kapsan ng lan ay Rikaswi. Minta inyo yang Amerikom yang nangyalah boxing. Minta inyo ya kejuriam jom dipenar. Kejuriam jom dipenar. Tentang ini kejadian John Kibahai Soka Pengan Tentang ini yang way yang kita mulai hangkai New Air Force. Jai round, lai round, come round, try. Happy Baro, I'm happy. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Happy Children's Day. Yang kejimpas kebadan berom. Lengba jong Winifred Yau Knyau. Kadang kesem kababrik ya records baro naduk tukis dem kibeniseng ya kasora academy om patjudan kun kadik resort jong Arjal Artway. Winifred Yau Knyau Haka metric exams Jogi Arjal Artway ila break ya ka record da ka your distinctions baro the subjects bang ka school kalaray badado mentau snem ikna ibadai ki first among the first iba your top haka marks na preng ki bele matric in your ya ka award ka bang nila hot keteng ya ka Shaklian award Winifred Yau Knyau uday uklor umanengkong Badio ya kanik award kabalong the trophy, the certificates, Bangladesh Award, Nakaskol. Rapat yang di parents yang kami dan Winifred, by ulang stage, by Sunram, yang jauh kun, by Winifred, by Wan, by Priang yang award. Like President, John Managing Committee, even day in May, John. Schwabangan I, High President, John Managing Committee, Ngan Puliaka, Ban Pintip, Niko, Sora Academy Secondary School, Ngamula Barakapon, Sora, East Cassius District, Meghalaya. Pin code 793-111. Dated 16 November 2021. Shakliang Award. This is to certify that Sri Winifred Yauknel, candidate of SSLC examination 2021, is being awarded the Shakliang Award 2021 on his achievement in the said examination by securing distinction in all subjects. The school wishes him success in life. Sri One Step Lingdo, Principal of Sora Academy Secondary School. May I request my mother to hand over this Shakliang Award to Winifred Yauknel. This is another certificate so that he can carry all over the world. The same certificate given in the frame, and the frame can be kept at home, and this certificate it will be kept in his file so that when he will go to any competition, he will show that he is an awardee of some rewards in his life. Then may I request Sir Hon to hand over this certificate to Winifred Yauknel. Sora Academy loves you. Please remember wherever you go. Then this, I will request Sir Jaran to hand over this memento to Winifred Yauknel. This is the Gash Award. Students, if you pass successfully in your exams, and if you are the top, the first of Sora Academy among the first this year, you'll be getting the second round of Shakliang Award by getting the certificates, the mementos, and the cash from the school. May I request my mother again to hand over the cash award to Winifred Yauknel. Kaya sa mga kwakang ang talong, Jing Hosnil, Kabampoy Perkat, Kabaga Sora Academy, Kababaho Kibriyo Kila Perkat, Ba Kalakilem, Ray Nganut Badikler, Sora Academy, Hindi Tambakayeng Nenta, Kamare. Kamare, Kajing Mare, Kajongka, Kalalong, Kababa, Iway Kin Pato, Iway Kin Be, Kat Bakaher Kani, Kanong Kabae, Adokata. Ngay play pikik pa, ibadang don kajing shania, ya isa one step, ya ka Sora Academy. Ngangangay, bakilalo kipagkomentam, banyo ya ikusnam, badi kijing job kibakraw, kijong students kijong what how are jan halfway. Niladuna tang points, bangin yo bangrung haga top 20. Jong arja halfway, nilala penpasud ya kitna, how arja halfway, bagakwa penisu ipi, menta man kasni yo admission. Karena Sri Satang Tumbak Arwad, niladak na kamenta kasnam arja halfway. Ngidon tang wei kena mentau snem nursery. Mentang ngidap si kelas mam. Hakni kinyat nai. Ngai you play bau yalam utility. Bang ngai kem bagasora academy. Kumbapi milenti kandai hikaskon. Kabanya be syapran bad kiwei Pakistan. Hiba pau om tang hasara henrei hakajalahi barok kawai. Lengba ini hikam dengan PEP, lagalong the Children's Day, lagalong the new program. What you know after tin kung kikme ikpa, balay isa principal ipin bon kam katne. Kam day kitin pun bon kam. Ikon kilet yang ta ikam ibatang san bat si 4 minute. Henry tutip bahawa principal bat kidong ikai hidup dem na kabentang ini program. Ngai ku play ru ke snam ya kikme kikpa. Ibanu bangiu hasti banyishim benta bat ngi ke school. Ku play shibon na kabenta jo kikme kikpa bagi jong kini kikna school. Kajingkiu kajongki hadan sam na kabenta kani kasni kadai ka borba ka pakraw ya ka kubor ka bangin ay bam judan kinu school wat aka pertayhi barok way bagi kami ikpa kinkiu hagi rensan jong school Sora Academy kalong kaway na school kaban ay kajingit hu kaban ay kajingikay Baglang bagi ni kikor kibor kibadan hapersya jonga tang shibet patlashay pins ui ya kani kajing pendan burom jong the Children's Day Hasora Academy lengba jong kikor kibor ngatwa pan keren ya kiway pat kipara school kibadan hakaleng kani kabi kabi kejongi kajingit railang jong the school pat ikme ikpa kadai ke borba ke bakrau. Kajingat railang jong pinong hikai bagi students kadai ke borba ke bakrau. Kasora Academy kala shim ya kan kasinjam banai kajing hikai ya kiwei pat bangin long kibet railang pedeng ikena school pinong hikai bagi me ikpa. Dah kebentah jong pinong hikai baik jonga kiba hapdeng isni kiba QE lengba jong media bagi no kai hapan ya procession bagi no kai hapan syak ngan ban syak jing tak adu kan ka klimat ngin pan yo tulok hru benai ban kun benta ino kai tim sim yo tulok ngrei ki phu bha Kibab riup ha kinong ikai. Bat kadai kebor kamu blame jupan kum ya kinong ikai. Kadai kebor kamu blame jupan kum pelan ya kinong ikai. Bagi kena sekolah lagi jonga. Ngakwa banong Kasora Academy ha daru siam arja alpong bat alpway. Hadin pengalawan bias kum principal Bapura jongka. Kasora Academy kalalong kumbaga day banong. Bat ilamang kamplain chushu, daga jini simbenta jong kinong kay ibadan hapok kay kaskun. Daga jini simbenta jong pigik megik pa, bayat ray lang rengkat pat ni. Ni ay kuplay yung paro, yung Winifred yung pnyaw, ibadan rengkat me, nakabenta kani ka kusnan kumapyo, nakabenta yung may yung ay, lesenran, ibijukit, ibijuba, ibijupersan bol, nakabantan jong paro ibadan kakti kaman kakti kadiang ibalong kinong mikmat naki constituencies prepare batna sorahi ngai kuplay ring bagal kakor jing pensawa ya kinong mikmat ibalawan menin nakabanta sa HDR lingdo ubani menteri barim jong ka sarkar Meghalaya Nawan menin banjigor ya ka school But we get camp, the Jingwan Jongki, Karwanra Yakabor to the school. Kapan gateway niki parents manu badan kita kemensian banai kijing duai nak bentang resmi bagi kijing bam sobha bangwan
Kundi raja sebi nimpang macam me ikut terai yang ni dah nak pergi ke sekolah pat ni dah nak pergi ke program pat ni anu yang kijing tuan kat macam ni nadu ini dikunya diberi kijing ni mula ane iki yang berada di Mediki, or ini guys akan ini kami. Ada yang sekarang berterus kalau mengurung nama, tak berkerja.